Hello everyone, you're welcome to this CryptoNiche channel where I'm going to be sharing with you an insightful information. So today what I want to show you is how you can earn up to 10,000 Naira, in this Earn Crypto program organized by the Coinmarketcap. Okay, so I've watched the video, I've read a couple of other content on their website. I want to tell you that the answers that you're going to get in this video, they are the correct answers that will ensure that you are able to get this bonus. You're able to earn from these quiz. Okay, so I've watched the videos. So if you just on CoinMarket, go to CoinMarketCap. I'll be dropping the link down below, in this tutorial. So all you have to do is to click on the link and come to coinmarketcap.com. On this part, you're going to see something like, stay up to date with major crypto events, but that's not what you are going to. You have to come here, and click on learn and earn with our latest campaign. Okay, so when you click on it, it will take you to this page. Okay, so when you get to this page, you need to click on get started. So you're getting started with this, and you have to watch videos. You have to watch all of these videos. So you have to learn first. It is learn to earn. Okay, you have to learn. When you learn, then you can earn from it. So you click on watch video. So I'm not going to play this video because if I should play it, it has a copyright icon here. So I may have issue uploading the video on YouTube, and YouTube may actually ban may actually drop this video and take it down. So I'm not going to watch the video, but you have to click on this. Once you click on this, then you can watch all of this. So I've watched all the videos, and I'm here to take the quiz live right now before you guys. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is CryptoNiche channel, and what I do is I share tons of insightful information with people all around the world, what they can do to make money on the internet. Okay, so I upload videos about bot trading, about how you can get remote crypto jobs. Okay, I make videos about bounties, about airdrops, and everything that has to do with cryptocurrency trading and the blockchain ecosystem that you can use to take advantage of the massive wealth on the internet. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification button so that you can be notified once I drop all of these valuable videos on the channel. Okay, so real quick, let me go and take the quiz. So I'm going to click here. Of course, you have to have a Binance account to participate in this quiz. So if you don't have a Binance account yet, I will drop the link down below the video so you can sign up quickly, and get access to your ID, through your profile on Binance. Okay, so click on take the quiz because I've watched the video and now I can take the quiz. So okay, I have 15 questions, right? I'm going to click on next. Verify that you are human. Next. So please read carefully this. You are eligible to participate. Okay, I agree with the CoinMarketCap and times. Okay, please carefully read the fact question before taking the quiz. Have you carefully? Okay, yes. Okay, please submit. Please provide the email address associated with your CoinMarketCap account. So now I'm going to say this is the email that I used. Next is to go to the next part. Provide the referral ID. This is my referral ID. So you can get that also on Binance. I'm going to drop the link also down below this video, probably in the description. Okay, or I'm going to pin it in the comment box. Okay, so what is the maximum supply of FIO token? Okay, to know the maximum supply of FIO token, you have to come here, and read about it. Okay, so this is where you get the information about the maximum supply of the token. Okay, so the maximum supply of this token is a billion, like it's a billion maximum supply. So you have to come here, okay, and type it 111,111,111. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's about 9. That's about 90. Okay, so we have to use comma. I'm not sure about that. Okay, I think there is a comma here. There's a comma here. Okay, or maybe you should just copy this but there is no point doing that. Okay, that's $1 billion. Okay, so the next thing is, what is FIO protocol? Okay, FIO protocol is a service layer solution. Okay, it's a solution for managing, protecting patient data in healthcare organization. A decentralized file storage. No, that is file, that is not FIO. Okay, that's confusing. So this has to be the answer. So what does the FIO protocol replace the need for? Okay, if you watch the video, you will discover that basically they're trying to make cryptocurrency more user friendly. Okay, so that you don't have to memorize, or you don't have to start copying the long wallet address, which is alphanumeric in nature. Nobody can easily memorize that. So you can bind your crypto wallet with your name. If your name is James, you can use James at James. Okay, dot whatever. You understand? So that's how easy it is to use. So long and complicated public keys, that's the solution. Wallet and exchange, cell phones, no. Okay, so what can the FIO protocol be used for? Requesting cryptocurrency across any chain. Okay, then yes, you can use it for that. Sending cryptocurrency across any chain. Okay, receiving cryptocurrency across any chain. If you can send, definitely you can receive also with it. Then you can use the request for cryptocurrency probably on Twitter. If you are doing YouTube video, you can use that to request for cryptocurrency on your channel as a kind of donation. Okay, so if I do that, are you guys going to drop something like send a few amount of crypto into my FIO protocol username? I'm not sure you guys can do that, but no, I'm going to click on all of the above. Okay, so users to send cryptocurrency more confidently. No. The FIO protocol enables users to send cryptocurrency more confidently. Users to transfer value from one wallet or exchange to another in a way that's joyful and easy. I don't know about, okay. Enable error-free and easy crypto payments process. Error-free and easy payment crypto process. Okay, all of the above, definitely yes. Okay. So the next question is, what is the FIO token used for? For requesting FIO addresses and domains on the blockchain. Okay, yes, you can use it for that. Rewarding block producers for securing the FIO, of course, that's in the video. Voting for FIO protocols governance, okay, like a kind of governance token. So that's all of the above. Okay, so pay attention to all of these things if you want to make sure that you earn this token after learning about FIO protocol. Okay, so what is FIO address? What is a FIO address? A customized, unique, human-readable wallet name, an NFT, magic internet money. No. A long cryptographic wallet address. No. The long address that you see when you create an Ethereum wallet address is a long cryptographic address. Okay, so this got to be the answer. So the FIO domain such as at domain, okay, can be purchased and customized to whatever the user wants, so long it is available. Yes. Typically the name of a wallet or exchange. Yeah, if you want to use it for that purpose, it's possible. It can be something like Musa at Binance. It's possible. So non-fungible tokens, you can create an NFT for yourself on this platform, then all of the above, still all of the above. Okay, so how can I create my own FIO wallet? I'm going to do that here. So I'm going to pause this video because this might actually generate a public key. So I'm going to pause this video now and create the address real quick. Okay, so let's see how it pans out. I'm going to open this on a new tab. Definitely it will take me to the FIO protocol page where I can create my wallet. So want more FIO token? Let's read the instruction. Claim your free, whatever. It's easy. You want to send, receive, and request. Crypto doesn't have to be complicated anymore. Okay. Each week we are giving away 100 FIO tokens to our FIO farm who enters our draw here. Okay. So I'm going to Okay. What am I supposed to do now for beginners, for users? Getting started, FIO token. So from here, you can create your FIO wallet, but there is a few steps you have to take. These are wallets and exchanges that are compatible with FIO for now. I think later on they might add other exchanges like Binance so that you can have a wallet address like your name at Binance, okay? And people can send money to you from any part of the world. So now I'm going to prefer these guarda wallets, okay? So I'm going to click on this, open a new tab, okay? So it's a kind of web wallet similar to Max wallet and the rest, okay? So what I get here, so you will come to this place that says get free FIO address in guarda wallet, guarda web wallet, okay? So you're going to click on this. I'm going to open a new tab also. So this is how the interface looks like. You can create a shielded wallet, mobile wallet, desktop wallet, Chrome extension. So all I need right now is the web wallet. I'm going to click on web wallet. So once I click on that, okay, so there has to be a create wallet. So I'll come here and paste the password. Okay, no. I'm not here to unlock any wallets. I want to create new wallets. Okay, I want to create new wallets. Okay, to create a new wallet, clear your browser cache. You will be logged out from your wallet, but to restore that, okay, let me do that right now so that I can show you guys how to create a wallet on guarda. So since I've been able to create a new wallet, okay, so all I have to do now, okay, I've been able to clear my cache. All I have to do now is to create a new wallet. I'm going to click on create, okay. I'm going to paste this, my password, then state that I've written it down. Okay, I know that offhand. So it is creating wallet, different wallets, BTC wallet, Digibyte, Doge, KMD, Quantum, Qtum, etc. So it's going to create a lot of wallets for me, just like you have several dozens of wallets on your trust wallet. So it works a similar way. Okay, so let's wait for that until all the wallets have been created. Okay, so I'm going to download the backup. So after download the backup, I can use that text to restore my wallet anytime I want to do that. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down, as you can see, and come here. I don't want to buy unstoppable domain. I only want to create a FIO address and I want to use the free version. I'm going to click on buy address. Okay, so now all I want is a free address. I want to get a free address. We are doing free address at the moment. So now this is a CryptoNiche. Okay, I'm going to click on CryptoNiche. Let's create a wallet address for this channel to receive donation in the future. Okay, so now we're going to click on check availability. It is available. Okay, I'm sure it is available. Okay, so I'm going to register that. So in case you guys want to donate, if you find the content useful on this channel and you want to support this channel, today we are creating an easy to read wallet address. So we've done the captcha, done with the captcha. So, and now, okay, we have successfully created a wallet. So CryptoNiche at guarda is pending. It is awaiting blockchain finality. So once it's finalized on the blockchain, then it is as good as saying that we've been able to create, a robust wallet that can be used to enable payments, that can be used to send money and receive money in any part of the world. So, in the next video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to create your FIO protocol wallet in other wallet addresses. They might be quite easier than this, okay, using the mobile app. Okay. So let's wait for that. I'm going to pause this video because I don't want to waste much of your time. So we are done with the blockchain finality, and this can be used, okay, can be used to receive and make payments all over the world, okay. So I'm going to, sorry about that. We're going to log in right now, okay. Then try and bind the address. Try and bind the address, okay. That seems to be the next step now. So if you want to use this address, this human readable address to receive payment, so all you have to do is to come here, okay, click on FIO protocol. Once you click on FIO protocol, you can receive FIO with this address if you want, okay, but we are not here for that. We want to use a human readable address for that. So this is my human readable address. This is the CryptoNiche at guarda, okay. Now, what you have to do now is to manage linked address. Click on this to manage the linked addresses, okay. You can't do that for now because, you know, it's going to make the video become so long, okay. So, but let's try that for other, only other. We can't click on everything, or if you want, you can click on all if you want to do that and link other with it, okay. Click on link. There's going to be a message that says that you've been able to link your address with it, okay. So that's how to link different addresses with your FIO. So now I'm going to copy this again. Okay, I'm going to copy this and finalize what we started, okay, and come here and paste it here. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to click on next. So we've been able to take the quiz successfully, and the token will be distributed into that wallet, okay. So anytime, probably in the next 2 weeks, come back and check your wallet, you'll find something useful in there, okay. So I'm going to click on submit, okay. So I'm done with that, okay. So I'm done with it. This is the final stage, okay. Submit form, okay. So that is how to earn FIO tokens, okay. You can earn FIO for as much as for 10,000 naira, because by the time you convert $20, you know, to naira, that's about 10,000 naira, okay. So that's how to learn and earn up to that. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe on this YouTube channel, okay, and turn on the notification button. Like this video, comment down below, and ask me any question that you have regarding what I've just done so far, and I'll be willing to help. I'm always online 247. I will respond to your comments as fast as possible, you know, so that you can move on real quick, okay. So see you in the next video where I'm going to be showing you how to create more FIO protocol wallets using other kind of wallets, which is different from guarda wallet, okay. And also the next video after that is going to be on how to day trade on platforms like Binance and KuCoin and make decent amount of money for yourself, okay. See you guys next day, okay. Bye for now.